You won't believe that this duffel bag is also a suit bag. Hey guys, I'm Na and welcome back to my channel. May gala ulit ako and this time I'll be using a duffel bag for my hand carry. Before I proceed to my packing, I have a list of questions galing sa video na to na sasagutin ko today. First question is, pwede po ba magsuot ng extra bag like fanny pack or waist bag? Yes, pwede magdala basta yung fanny pack or waist bag mo is pati yung dala mong hand carry is equivalent to 7 kilograms. Paano kung magpas ng 7 kilograms yung hand carry, may babayaran ba or need bawasan or iwanan? Well, if ganun yung scenario, kunyari hindi kayo nag-check-in and then namin yung pasalubong, and napansin ng officer na parang ang bigat ng bag nyo, i-check nila yon. Not all airlines nag-check, pero if mas okay if naka 7 kilograms yung bag nyo para mas confident kayo na paglaban na 7 kilograms lang tong laman ng suitcase ko. Kasi if ever mapatunayan nila na it's more than 7 kilograms, you will have to pay the gate baggage fee. And here is the list. Sasagabal pa kayo kasi you have to go to the counter and yung mga counter is minsan malayo sa gate. So, baka maiwanan pa kayo. Kunyari, if you want to, parang susotin mo na lang yung mga damit mo para maging 7 kilograms siya. It's also an inconvenient for you and baka mamaya nga rin maiwanan ka ng aeroplano. So, much better if 7 kilograms yung laman ng bag nyo. Hello, okay lang po ba magdala ng power bank? 20,000 mAh. Pwede magdala ng power bank sa hand carry as long as it's 20,000 mAh below. Hi, ask ko lang po, dalawa bag ko, yung dala ko tapos pinagkasya ko sa 7 kilograms po na. Titimbangin pa po ba yun o diretso na po? Like I said kanina, some airlines, check nila yung bag nyo, pero para mas confident kayo, wag nyo nang punuin or wag nyo na i-max yung 7 kilograms para may allowance pa kayo sa pasalubong. Now, let's start packing! So, this is the bag from Ozoko. And first of all, we have to check yung measurement in your weight. That's the first thing I do, and I always show you guys that. So, I'll get the measuring tape. So, here is the bag. And may 3 ways siyang paano dalhin. Pwedeng ganito, pwedeng shoulder bag. Oh, hindi, 4 ways pala. Tapos, pwede rin siyang ilagay sa maleta. And, pwede rin siyang backpack. Nandito yung kanyang strap. And, yeah. Like this. Siguro pag sobrang bigat na, hindi ko kaya, backpack. Pero if kaya naman, ano lang siya. Dito, shoulder bag. Okay, let's wait. Let's check. So here is the guide, okay? So, nandito siya sa phone ko, pero I will show it to you guys dyan. So, ang height niya should be 22 inches. This bag is like 20. And then, ang kanyang dimension should be 10. Medyo parang lagpas siya ng kasha. Pwede naman siyang 10. Squeeze in nyo na. And then, yung kanyang width should be 14. And it's 12.5. Okay, let's see the weight. So, it's 1.5. Ayan siya kagaan. After checking the measurement and your weight, it's time to put everything in. So, ang laptop, gadgets, camera, hindi siya kasama sa weight, okay, na 7 kilograms. So, yung ibang packing tips, hindi ko na i-share in this video. Please watch this video kasi there's a lot of packing tips in here as well as this one. So, gagamitin ko yung pagka-suit storage niya. Okay lang naman sa akin magusot yung mga dresses, pero it's nice naman to try it. So, ayan. Dismantle natin siya. Yan, marami siyang like this one para secure yung damit. And pwede rin hanger dito. I won't bring with me some hanger kasi magko-consume lang siya ng weight. And hindi pa ako nakabili ng travel na hanger. So, yeah. That's, 3 dresses. Yep. Then, i-build ko muna siya bago ko insert yung other kong things na naka-packing cubes na. So, like, if you want naman na hindi gamitin yung pagka-suit storage na, pwede naman. The first thing na ilalagay ko is my packing cube with full of my clothes. Meron siyang shoe storage. And, ang nandito is slippers ko. And then, I also bring with me yung parang sa mga hotels. Mag-hotel naman kami, pero it's nice to have an extra. Nabibili to sa Shopee para hindi madumihan yung clothes. Ayan. Undergarments. This toiletry bag na favorite ko kasi, yeah, pwede siyang magamit in this way. Kunyari, ito yung parang sabitan. Pwede siyang paganyan. See? I don't know if you can see it, pero yan, ganyan siya. And pag kunyari maraming laman yung toiletries mo, pwede siyang i-extend. Hindi siya okay if you have a lot of skincare products and makeups. And I have a full review of this toiletry bag down in my description box. And then I'll bring with me my tumbler. Lagi ko pong dala. Yan siya. My travel towel. This eco bag para kapag may pasalubong, madali na lang. Meron siyang mga side pockets, so I'll put it in here. And this one, my eyeglasses, face mask, and eye mask. Dito na lang siya sa may taas na zipper. Meron din akong dadaling tripod. This time, I won't be bringing with me my Sony camera. Ang dadalhin ko lang is my action camera. And my phone. Kasi maganda naman yung phone ko eh. And then in this pouch, mga ikay stuff. Cream, panglinis, vitamins, tapos pabango, blush, concealer, lipstick, hand cream, suklay, and then this one, nasa action camera. And nakalimutan ko to. This is my waterproof bag. I think I'll just put it on top or the side. So let's zip up and weigh it. So it's 6.3. So this is how I will carry this bag. Naka-shoulder bag lang siya. And wala na akong dadalhing other bag kasi usually kapag naka-backpack ako, meron pa akong isang small bag. But this time, lahat ng stuff ko is nandito lang. And ang favorite ko talagang bag is yung backpack ko and in this video. And tingnan natin if this one will catch my heart. Pero somehow, I really love the backpack. Please do watch that kasi I have also some tips kung paano mag-fold and yung mga guidelines about bag and yung mga fees as well. So that's it. I will see you on my next video and I'm ready to go. Bye!